Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use spirulina tablets. Spirulina is a fantastic superfood, and taking it in tablet form is super easy. We'll cover everything from starting your dosage to getting the most out of its benefits. Get ready to boost your wellness journey with this powerful supplement. It's simpler than you think to incorporate into your daily routine. When starting with spirulina tablets, it's best to begin with a small dose, typically 1 to 2 grams per day. This allows your body to adjust. Over time, you can gradually increase your intake to 3 to 6 grams daily, or as recommended by a health professional. Always take your tablets with meals to help with absorption and prevent any stomach upset. Taking spirulina tablets is straightforward. You can simply swallow them whole with a glass of water or your favorite juice. If you prefer, you can also crush the tablets and mix the powder into smoothies, yogurt, or even salad dressings. Remember, consistency is crucial to experience the full range of benefits this amazing superfood offers. Make it a daily habit. Spirulina is known for boosting energy levels, supporting your immune system, and aiding in natural detoxification. To maximize these benefits, remember to stay well hydrated throughout the day, especially as you increase your spirulina intake. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check out the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.